Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Hustle World. Today I got a nice freebie for you all to check out on Freebie Monday. Now I know you guys thought I forgot about you, but I got a nice one for you. You got to check this one out. Now this is not a customizable watch face at all, but it's definitely a great look for an analog watch face. Now the name of the watch face is called Modern Simple. I thought it was a nice look, and in the AOD mode it gets tricky because it does not give you analog time. It gives you digital. I wish it was analog because if I decided to dress up in this one, which you can, I would have liked to have had the analog look when it dimmed down. But it is what it is. It is not a deal breaker at all. But when the watch face is on, I do like the look and the theme of the background. It really makes this watch face stand out. I like the traditional look so far as the analog time is concerned. And you do get premium analog hands with this one, along with a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. Now, if you look up at the top, you will get the day of the week, and you're also going to get your date. You come down, surprisingly, you do get your step info. And I thought that was not a bad look at all. Kind of small, but it's still legible. At the end of the day, people, what do you think? Is this a download or is it a leave it right where it's at? Me personally, I think it should be in your lineup for just in case, especially considering that it's free right now. It can become paid at any given time. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys are making it through the Monday grind. Continue to grind hard, and it will be over with soon. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.